Today, we are doing a kale tahini pasta that is absolutely gorgeous, and nobody would really suspect it's kale until you tell them. What you want to do is take boiling water and pour it right on top of the kale. You don't need to completely submerge it, but you want it to get to a level where you can press it down and most of the kale will get covered. And while this is sitting, I'm gonna put all of my pasta into boiling, salted, very important, pasta water. And the rest of the recipe comes together super easily just in this blender. So taking the kale and just move it into the blender. And then for the next step of this recipe, we are going to be adding a 1/3 cup of tahini, which is just a sesame seed paste. It's very delicious, adds a really nice creamy quality to this sauce. And then I'm also going to be adding 3/4 teaspoon each of coriander, cumin, and oregano. And then last but not least, the juice of 1 whole lemon. And of course, season to taste. You can add more salt later, but a pinch will not hurt. And our pasta has a few more minutes. You can definitely hear it rolling behind me, but get 3/4 cup of pasta water and put that in with the sauce before blending everything together. I just drained our pasta. You can reserve a little bit of pasta water if you want to. I did not this time because this sauce is looking particularly, for lack of a better word, saucy. But if your sauce is coming out a little thicker than you expected, definitely reserve some pasta water. You can use that later to thin it out how you like it. And the last step is I have this pan going on super low heat. So we're gonna take a bit of olive oil and then a 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, maybe more. Live dangerously. And then take our drained pasta, put it in the skillet, toss to coat that just a bit, and then the main star, what we're all here for. It starts out really thin, but of course it will thicken. Let's get this pasta in a bowl. And you can top this with sesame seeds, you can top it with black pepper, more red pepper flakes, anything you want. I am actually topping it with dukkha, which is a Middle Eastern spice blend. So that's how to make this gorgeous kale tahini pasta. I love it so much and I hope you do too.